I heard chaos and I'm like, oh
Chaos!
no.
Carnival of Chaos.
We love chaos.
How do we hit 1,000 points? We were nuts.
We were so
Okay,
good.
so we'll be able to compare how bad we are now and how good we were before.
Oof.
Are you ready?
No.
Wait, is Rennie here?
Honey.
Rennie?
Yeah, I'm
Are you
here.
late?
I'm here. Hello.
Okay.
Okay.
Game face.
Sign.
Game face. I believe. I believe.
Do you believe in love after life? I can feel something inside me say. I
Can
really
I-
don't
can I-
think you're fast enough.
I know.
Do I put the buns on the plate?
Yes.
Okay.
No, because I can bring the meat with the buns. Now remember, look. Huh. And I can just bring them like
Okay.
that.
Okay.
Yay. Okay. What next? I think there's one ready.
There's something burning.
No.
Vanessa,
It's good,
you
it's good,
need
it's good.
help.
No, I
Allow
don't.
us to help
No,
you.
I don't. No, I don't. Okay. No, there's nothing in there. There's nothing in there. There's nothing in there.
I was trying to get the plate.
Okay, but we need cheese.
Oh my God.
Ah, it's on fire! I forgot it's back in real life.
Do your job.
No, it's really close to what happens in real life when I cook, and I just forget and I do something else.
It's really funny that I'm cleaning right next to it. I'm like, it's fine.
Andali, andali, andali.
No!
Oh no.
We need onions.
Oh no.
Oh my god.
Oh my lord.
Hey, we did great. We did 1 star.
Damn.
Vanessa,
I'm here.
Vanessa,
I'm here.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's the chicken one.
It's
Okay,
me.
I'm gonna show you the meat and the potatoes.
Wrong thing.
And when it's
There we
cut, you have to
go.
give it back. Okay, I'm taking care of the chicken. Renee, you do the potatoes.
Quing, quing.
Oh no.
What do you need? What do I cook?
Papitas. Oh my god, let me put it on the plate. Oh,
No, because it's not cooked. You need to cook it first.
Cook it.
I'm a dumb. I'm sorry.
Put it in the fry
I'm-
pan.
Frying
Very
pan. Frying pan.
Air fryer.
Roller.
You know, that could be like a
I need
regular
stuff.
show
Oh no, I
moment.
haven't.
Like, Ruby could come to Mordecai and be like, hey Mordecai, I changed my name. No, my name is Fry Pan.
Fry pan.
Fry pan.
And now they say it like 3 times, so like the 3rd time they say it, the fry pan
I need stuff.
god comes to
I
like
need stuff.
fry them.
I need stuff.
Oh my god.
I need stuff.
Oh,
I need stuff.
Yeah, but you have to take that drumstick and some.
Hello. No.
Put the potatoes in the thing.
I'm sorry.
No excuse. We're gonna be bankrupt, and it's gonna be because of you.
Oh no.
If I
Hurry,
see it on the
6,
floor,
put the
it goes
potatoes
on
in
the
there.
pan.
Oh wait, we have the way to do now.
one.
We should try it again after.
Yeah, let's try it again.
Let's try it again.
I hope I'll.
If I
also
see it-
cut stuff.
Okay. Okay.
Who's doing what? Shrimp? Fish? I only need fish. Give me fish.
Okay. You give them to the
No! I was going to give it to the guy again.
to the hobo.
Okay, fish again.
Okay, you're not fast enough. I'm throwing the fish on the floor.
No, 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 no. I got this.
This is
I
not
just
very-
need the plates.
It's
Nobody's
not
giving
really
me plates.
sanitary.
I need shrimps, Marie. Shrimps.
No, it's Renee. Renee's doing the shrimps.
No,
I'm
you
doing
are.
only fish.
Oh, that's Renee.
He's
Renee,
the
I
turtle.
need shrimps. Cut it, cut it.
Yeah, but you got fish. Look.
Yep.
They should make a mod that Gordon Ramsay comes as you play.
No, you need to cut it. You dumb fool.
It's cut. No, just give
Where's
it.
the plate?
The plate is under the fish.
Oh no. Oh no, where
Renee,
is it?
cut your shrimp.
Cut the shrimp. Oh no. Oh
He
no,
just threw it on
no.
the floor.
He stole my job! He stole my job! I'm the best boy!
We can't even do that.
Oh no. Why can I put the shrimp on the plate? Okay, good.
There's not enough room for all the fish.
Rene! Rene! No! My plate! Oh no, we messed up.
Oh, my tummy hurts. Katya, we need you.
Can take this on. Okay, take it.
There we go.
Okay. Oh lord. Stole your plate.
Oh, my God.
Not even close. Wow. Mhm.
Oh my God.
No. Oh boy. Okay, can we throw stuff?
That looks cute.
Oh, never mind.
Oh no, we did that one.
Yeah.
Okay, let's throw.
Okay, now we got it. So
Oh,
Renee, we
good
just have to
again.
put the thing directly in the plate when they come back.
Okay.
You know, it was going so well.
Wings. I have too much. Okay. Okay, I have nothing else.
Thank you, Renee.
You can do it. You
course.
can do it. You can do it. Shoo-ba-doo-ba-doo. You need
Waiting for
chicken,
my chicken.
and you need a chicken and potatoes. Chicken and potato, and after that, chicken. Mix the chicken and the potato. Mix the chicken and the potato.
It's done.
After that, it's just chicken. Just chicken, chicken. And just potato. Just potato. Just potato, just chicken. Yeah. Just chicken.
But we need a pan.
Okay.
Just chicken. Just potato.
Oh my god.
Just potato. Potato plate. Potato plate.
At the end. But I don't have any chicken.
Oh,
Yeah.
not bad.
Yeah, how did we make it count? I think the 4th star is just not possible. They're just like overachievers wanted to achieve something. Take that. But I think it's
Yeah, I think it's much more for 4 people. I don't think.
no, because when it's 4 people, it gets higher.
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh lord. Oh lord. Oh
Oh,
lord.
Lord.
Okay, dough and then shit on it.
I got the cheese.
Okay, I'll serve the thing. So here's the
Dough.
plate.
Dough.
Why is there cheese there?
It's my cheese.
Well, just
No.
put it there at a random place and I will take
No, you took my cheese. I'm so sad. You took my cheese. You stole it from us. No, I can do good. I can.
Oh my god. How do you click so fast?
Gotta go fast.
Can somebody launch me?
Okay, throw. Me too. Me too. Yes.
Me three.
Go.
Me 3.
Go.
I
have
have
to
a
go.
plate.
Go.
Yay! Oh, we need a plate up
Need a
there.
plate. Need a plate.
I'm gonna
Throw me,
throw
throw
you.
me.
Woo!
Need a plate.
We don't have a plate anymore.
Oh shoot.
Okay, I'll
give
bring
us
the
the
plate.
plates. We're gonna wash them.
Where are they?
In
I'm cleaning
the
them.
bin. We'll wash them again.
Okay, cut the cheese.
Good
Cut
person.
the cheese. I said cheese.
I'm doing my own pizza.
I'm doing my own pizza too. What to do?
There.
No, my
That's for
I
you.
need a plate.
I stole it.
There's a plate for you there.
Throw me. Bro, I'm gonna bring back the dirty dishes.
Good idea.
Oh, we're on fire. I think we're gonna beat the 2 stars.
Here. Thank you.
You don't need a plate to do the pizza.
Yes.
No, you can just put it in the oven.
Put you in the oven.
Unacceptable.
Korean?
Yeah, I swear. You just put the things on the
I
button.
didn't
That's why I've been
know.
saying the whole thing.
I didn't know.
Ah!
I didn't know.
Somebody throw me.
Bring back the plates. Bring back the plates.
Yes.
Yo, we're on
Nope.
fire. I think we're gonna beat the old record. We still have a minute to go. We're at 700. I need a plate. Throw me!
Ah!
Drop the plate!
Fucking.
Oh no, I forgot the plates. Well, I tried. I didn't
It's here,
forget
it's
them. I tried to take them and I failed. Throw me.
Okay, you got this.
No, go away! Go away! Oh no 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 no! I have plates. Come take the plates.
Where? Oh, here. Go, 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 go.
Throw me! Ah! Oh my god. Is this ready?
Yes,
maybe,
it is.
Maybe we can. I'm waiting to throw people.
I like this one. It's like finally I understand.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
1,000!
Yay!
2 stars. That's what I was aiming for.
Cool. Okay, I have no voice. And we have booster packs to open. So
Pokemon booster packs!
Pokemon booster packs!